Hello, Coach K community. Let's go ahead and get those abs on fire using our small ball today. Go ahead and roll out that mat. Place that ball between those knees. Once you're there, you're gonna lay down onto your back. Feet are gonna stay flat onto that mat. Hands are gonna reach straight up towards that ceiling. It does not matter which hand is in front or which hand is in back. Press those shoulders back and down. Take a nice big inhale, exhale, crunch up, reach the hands to the center of that ball. Lay all the way back on down. And again, crunch up, touch that ball, lay back on down. You got 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. You're gonna go ahead and place that ball behind your left knee. Close that left knee down. You're gonna go ahead and bring the right leg up into a tabletop. Slow and control, touch your left toes down. Slow and control, bring it back on up. So you're constantly holding the ball behind that left knee as you toe touch up and down with that left leg there. In 10, you're gonna do the same exact move, but with your right leg, extend it out. In 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend your right leg out. Now continue that toe reach up and down. Modification, touch your right foot to the ground and continue that toe touch up and down. In 10, when the left toes touch down, we're gonna swing the right leg up towards that ceiling there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left toes go down, right leg goes up, left knee comes to tabletop, right leg goes down. For 10, 9, in 8, we're gonna switch to the other side here. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Take the ball, place it behind the right knee. Bring that left leg up to the tabletop. Start with touch of that right toes. Going down, bring it back on in. This first one's a little bit longer. It's more on the simplified side. It's like that base layer. Same thing on this side though. In 10, we're gonna add that left leg reaching away from that body there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extend that left leg away. Continue that toe reach for 10. In 9, when the toes touch down, you're gonna swoop that left leg up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toes go down, left leg goes up, right knee comes in, left leg goes down. For 10, 9, in 8, we're gonna go to that finisher there. In 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab the ball, place it between your ankles. Feet are gonna come down. From here, arms are gonna reach away from your body. You're gonna crunch up, bring your legs to a tabletop, catch the ball. Once the hand has the ball, extend the legs, extend the arms. Crunch up, bend it back on in, Ball goes between the ankles. Touch your feet back down. Last one here. Let's go. Crunch. Grab the ball. Extend the legs, extend the arm. Come back in. Ball goes between the ankles. Touch the feet back down. Last one. You got this. You're only gonna go for 10. Five. 3, 2, 1. Bring it on down. Go ahead and take that ball, place it off to the side, roll onto your stomach here. Once you're on your stomach, slightly separate your legs, bring the hands to the chest, take a nice big inhale, exhale, press away from that mat. For 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it on in. Bring the big toes together, knees out wide. Send those hips back, walk those hands forward. Nice child's pose stretch. For 10. 5, 4, 3, 2. Walk it on in. Take a seat onto that mat. Let's end with that seated meditation. Bring those hands to the stomach. Roll your shoulders back and down. Take a nice big inhale. Let that stomach rise. Let it fill with all that air. Exhale it all out for 3, 2, 1. Well, thanks for joining me. Hope to see you in another workout. Bye.